today's episode from Manila, we are going to Daddy's favorite summer vacation during his younger years. Our Auntie Chona's house in Santa Ana, Pampanga.
Okay sama na.
Join us in this vlog with Super Tayan, ang Batang Lagan. So Auntie Chona's house is an artist's haven. Everyone in the family has their own creative space. Kuya Kobe's workshop, Ate Marion's studio, Tito Pat's Bonsai Garden, and Auntie Chona's herb garden and her kitchen.
Who's that? Okay sama na.
First stop is Ate Marion's art studio.
We're here at the stairs at bawal mag-sleepwalking dito.
Kaya delikado.
Tada! Where are we now? This is the
Señora's studio.
the studio.
She's currently studying fine arts, major in painting, which is very obvious naman.
Kahit yan to, bebe. Hindi na to, bebe.
Natatoy anak mo.
Aside from Tayan's portrait earlier, Gail and I also have ours. The alternate universe version of Gail and me.
Familiar. Pag mga dalawang red horse. Uy, mas gwapo na siya in fairness.
Mas mature.
Photoshop
Pinataba
natin.
mo kami Marion na.
Ako pinapayat na lumipat sa iyo.
Next up is Kuya Kobe's workshop. He's a graduate of industrial design in Mapua. However, he took a more interesting path.
Bless.
Bless you. Kung ano.
Bless. Kanino kamay to? Kamay. O kamay pala ni Jesus yun. Ano? Ano ang tawag dito, Kubi? Anong term nito? Itong ginagawa mo? Ano siya? Anong tawag sa iyo?
Encarnador.
Ha?
Encarnador.
Encarnador? Anong meaning?
Ito yung taga-paint. Encarna, from the word carne.
To make flesh. Yun. Ano tawag dyan? May makeover.
Retoking nga tawag.
Oh, retoking o nga.
Before we continue, if you're new to our channel, please show Tayan some love by subscribing and hit the notification bell. Thank you! During our downtime, we didn't miss the chance to watch Super Tayan's vlogs in this huge TV.
Ay, lakat-lakat in Santa Ana. A lot has changed na in the past years. Dami ng tao, daming tindahan.
And where are we going, Tayan? Bili ng milk tea.
Dito oh.
As I said, a lot has changed. Trivia: my very first time to ride an airplane was for a summer vacation here in Santa Ana. There was so much less people. There was no Jollibee yet, and it was pretty quiet. But look at it now. On to our tour are the gardens. First is Auntie Chona's herb and spices garden.
What?
What's your
Steak. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3. Whoosh. Oh.
And lastly, right at the front of the house is Tito Pat's Bonsai Garden. His humble collection of bonsai plants he gathered over the years.
Dog. Oh, kana ba to?
Hopefully, Tayan was able to get some artist's energy in his short stay in Santa Ana. Rest assured, if he would need a touch of art as he grows up, this beautiful home in Santa Ana is there to welcome him. Next episode, this time it's Mama Gail's side of the family. Off to Angeles, Pampanga. Plus, an unforgettable trip at Zoo Cobia. Thank you so much for watching. Please drop a comment, hit like, and please do subscribe. Also, check out Tayan's other adventure vlogs. We hope to see you once again in another adventure of Super Tayan, ang Batang Lagan.